Welcome to my channel. I am back with another video, and today's video is showing y'all how I got this middle part quick weave with this burgundy pack hair. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I got this look, definitely stay tuned. We're about to get right into this video. So y'all, we about to get right into this video. I did end up dyeing my leave out, well, touching up my roots for my leave out for this hairstyle. I did end up doing my braid pattern going down instead of to the back. Tried to do something different. This is literally a quick little 1-2 DIY middle part.
Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe you, better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only make me your matter, make me your matter, make me your matter. Show me something, make me a blessing, make me a blessing. Give me one break, I need better believe you, better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach your whip that a turret. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you
how my hair turned out. I really don't like it, but the color match, perfect. Not gonna lie. Way better than it did before. This time when I did my color, I just used magenta. Last time I did, I used magenta and red. It could be the hair, by this being pack hair, it look how it look. But I'm not feeling these front pieces, so I am finna go in, probably add a couple more pieces, and then layer it. I'm gonna cut it like this on both sides. And I'm gonna go through in the back and cut it down one more time. Then I'm going to curl it with these T3 curler irons. I know they look crazy, don't mind them. They get the job done. And I really want to leave it straight, but I just don't like the way the hair look. Like it just gives pack hair. Maybe I'm thinking too hard, I don't know.
These niggas is fast. I can't fuck with niggas, I can't fuck with niggas. I got a couple niggas that they let it fly for a couple niggas. Got a couple niggas is me. They love me, cause plot smoke for the streets. I got the heat in the rocket. See the road thing, I'ma pop it. I got them choppers in the closet. 100 mil deposit. That ain't no Uber, that's a fancy. I see them niggas watch. I like my bitches red bone. That's fat, jello. Light skin, yellow. Black hair by the Regis a pillow. I got a squirter in a cream. I put the perky in my lean. 230's got me leaning. I hope I don't be like I would eat in these. Walked in 100 in my jeans. The print got me teased. But I drip when I'm leaving. I got that woo shit tatted. Iced out patty. As long as you getting money, don't nothing else matter. Shake it, baby. Bust it down and get naked, baby. Just know you sing shit, baby. Just know you sing shit, baby. I keep that chop up a touch. It ain't no stopping, no laying up. Free all my niggas that stuck in the can. Hoodie on, looking for some of man. How you real, and you run on your mans. I'll be dead. Look, I'm coming out with the Peter Pan. Looking for you and your friends. Hop in the rocket, go to Venus. I'm dreaming, I'm a genius. Hop in the rocket, go to Venus. I'm dreaming, I'm a genius.
How my hair turned out, this is damn near a week later. I still got the Quickweave in. As y'all can see, the curls, the hair still having curls. This is pack hair, Sasha pack hair from the hair store. Only thing I don't like about it is my little piece in the front. And I wish I would have put more, like, I don't know, put it more in my face. Like, I want my pieces to be more in my face. But this is what we got. A little quick 1-2. Middle part, layer curl, hairstyle, DIY, do it yourself. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We are at AK and Road to 10K. I know the vibes. I definitely will be having more hair content coming for y'all, because y'all been asking for makeup and hair videos. So definitely gonna have them coming. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video.